Here's what's making news on Roadshow. After 54 years of building its ubiquitous sports car, Porsche hit a milestone this week, producing the 1 millionth 911. Decked out in the same shade of Irish green from the 1960s, it features several throwback elements including a mahogany steering wheel and houndstooth inserts on the seats. This one won't be going to a private owner, however. Instead, Porsche will retain ownership, taking it on tour before parking it at the Porsche Museum in Germany. ABC News has a new investigative report out regarding BMWs catching fire while parked. The news outlet uncovered roughly 40 cases of fire starting while BMWs are parked over a 5-year span of time. The vehicles have very little in common aside from the badge covering some 15 different model years and a variety of body styles. BMW claims it did its due diligence investigating the cars in question, but it did not find a common thread or defect that could be linked to every car ABC News found. In other, less depressing BMW news, the automaker has finally confirmed the existence of the 8 Series Luxury Coupe revival. All that we've been given for now is a silhouette teaser, but the car will debut as a design study later this month in Lake Como, Italy. BMW expects the new 8 Series Coupe to go on sale in 2018, and it should be primed for battle against its competitors, including the Lexus LC and Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe. Find more on these stories over on theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.